With some fresh water in a container, our spoon, and our bag with the pea on it. And notice we're in our tub again. So this is the time where you might want to go to a sink or get a big container like we have. What we're going to do is we're going to open our bag and we're going to add 3 scoops of our water to the bag of pea. But we want to do that swiftly and then try to seal this.
So this is our example. We're trying to make a closed container, whereas with the other thing we had an open container. So we're just
this is a little.
It's a little tricky, and so just keep batting.
1, 2.
Let's put 4 in there.
3. Okay, then you want to put your water down and seal this, and then mix it up. Notice what's happening in the bag. I'm going to turn it around. And you can mix it up.
And feel the temperature change if there is one.
And notice what's happening to our closed system. You can see.
You'll notice that now this bag is sort of inflated a little bit, and it's a little puffy. And that's because it's captured the bubbles of gas that were produced in this reaction. If you let it sit for a little bit of time, you'll get a little more. The reaction's not as fast as the S reaction in the vinegar, but it's still a pretty sizable amount. That's why you do want to do this somewhere where in case it pops on you, you're not going to make a mess. So you can keep that in the sink and check on it occasionally. It's kind of an impressive little bit here that's of gas that we've made in this reaction. A little bit longer. You can see this thing is about to go. So what I'm going to do, just to be safe, is I'm going to open that bag up because I don't want it to explode.
Away from your face.
Away from your face. Just open that up. Let the gas out.
There you go.
And then keep it open. When it's done, you can throw that whole bag out, or you can rinse it out, use the bag over.
Yeah, and all of these solutions can just go right down your drain.
Right. Then you're going to just take everything, dump it down the drain, rinse your cups out, take your, any excess vinegar you have, you can just dump the whole thing down the sink and rinse out all your cups.